Hi everyone, today we have a list of 10 employees across different departments. If you want the total sales for just electronics without sorting or filtering the data, here is a shortcut. In this way, like the way we're going to show, like here it will show the total sales of electronics today. Okay, so we're going to use this formula. We're going to write down this formula. I'm going to put it on the comment section below. So here it starts with equal and then SUMIF with open parenthesis, and then a 2 to 11, then comma, and then we write electronics to find the electronics. If you want to do like clothing, you will have to do clothing here. We're going to show it here too. Then C2 to C11. This is C2 and this is C11. So this is the data. Then press enter. So for electronics, it's 7,750. So if you sum up the electronics manually, you'll see that the number is this one. And for electronics, for clothing, we're going to use the same formula, but here we're going to write clothing. Here we're just going to write down home goods. Okay. So if you have more data here, like if there are more rows, you just have to make sure that it is counted on this formula. So let's say you have more departments or employee or today's sales, you just change this formula to calculate them. So the spreadsheet now automatically calculates the exact total for you. Drop a like